Hey y'all, welcome to Child's Cuisines. Today we're making jambalaya. So first we're going to start in a heated pot. You're going to add some olive oil and let that heat up. Once your olive oil is heated up, go ahead and add your sausage to your pot. We're going to saute this for about 2 minutes, or you can saute until it's to your liking. You just want to get it a little brown and then we'll move on. So here I'm just sauteing my sausages. As you can see, our sausages are brown now, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. So our sausages created that nice oil that we need, and that will help saute and cook our chicken. You're going to add your chicken breast in with your sausage. Now you can also use chicken thighs, but I had chicken breast on hand, so that's what I used. We're going to saute that for about 8 to 9 minutes. Now we're going to add some olive oil back in after we take our meat out and saute our onions and peppers. We're going to saute these onions and peppers until they're a little softened, so about 6 to 7 minutes. Once 6 to 7 minutes are up, go ahead and add your garlic. Saute in the garlic for about 2 minutes, make sure it doesn't burn. Now we're going to go ahead and add some thyme. You can use dried thyme as well. Next, we're going to add in some salted butter for additional flavor. You're going to go ahead and add your meat back in. Mix everything well. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our seasoning mix. I will have all the ingredients listed below. You want to incorporate all those seasonings really well with your other ingredients. Now add your Sofrito. It's just a mixture of tomatoes and bell peppers. And I also added in a can of seasoned tomatoes. Next, we're going to add in our chicken broth. Now you can add in more chicken broth depending on how wet you like your jambalaya. Give that a quick mix and let that come to a boil. Now go ahead and add your long grain white rice. Once you add your white rice, mix that in really well, cover and let it cook for about 30 minutes on a simmer. Yeah, don't forget to add in your shrimp as well before you cover it and let it cook for 30 minutes. You can garnish it with parsley. I added a little bit of melted butter on top. If you decide to recreate this dish, tag me on Instagram at Child's Cuisine.